All right, let's get to work on this nice Thai chicken with some fresh garlic, red onions and bell peppers. We'll go ahead and set those aside and work on our sauce with some brown sugar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. I also have a squeeze of fresh lemon juice in there. Give that a great mix and set it aside. We'll make sure for our chicken breast, we're slicing them up nice and thinly. That way they'll cook a little bit faster and more evenly. I'm seasoning them up with garlic and onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sesame oil. All right, once you've given everything a great mix, go ahead and add that chicken into a hot pan with some olive oil. As the chicken cooks, you'll notice it gets white around the edges and towards the center. Go ahead and give those a turn. And now we'll go ahead and add in our sauce. I'm also adding in some fresh ginger and fresh garlic. Right, everything's coming together. We'll go ahead and add in the vegetables. You'll notice I've even added in some carrots. I'm also going to add in some chopped up cilantro and bean sprouts and give that a really good mix. Do me a favor as well. Like, follow, comment, subscribe, and share so you can see more great, easy recipes. Look at that, a lot of food prep. Boom!